Hello, Odisha Post. We are Kim's Bhuvneshwar. I'm Tejasvi Singh. He is Siddhant Naik and he is Mayuk Medra. And we are here for the first time at Metal Meet. I hope we'll have a great experience over here, enhance our knowledge, and hope so we win.
We have come from IMS and some medical college. My name is Abhilasha. His name is Somin, and this is Anshuman Das. And we are here to participate in Metal Meet 2026. We have followed current affairs. We are interested in history, and we have also looked upon past year questions and newspapers and articles. I'm so excited to participate because it's always fun. The questions are always interesting, and whoever wins or loses, it doesn't matter. But we learn so much, and it is so fun to participate because learning can be fun, and Metal Meet has proved that. And we are here a third year in a row, so we always enjoy and we want to win. We'll give our 100%.
Hello, we are from KIT University and we are representing KIT at the Metal Meet 2026 for the first time. And it has been a great honor, and we are really looking forward to getting and competing in the competition. And we have been preparing for a while, and I know that we all know as a team that it has been a great privilege for us to be here and represent with Mr. Ajay Punya as a quiz master, and with his expertise, he brings in a lot of uh, quality and skills on the board. And we are really looking forward for the quiz with all his questions, and hopefully we'll strike and we'll win.
So I'm Sriram, this is Pandan Bhaiya and this is Shardul Bhaiya. We are from IIT Bhubaneswar. So this is my first time in Metal Meet. So personally, this is a very exciting experience for me. My seniors have already tried this a lot, and so this is a usual routine for IIT Bhubaneswar. Every year we come and we participate. Metal Meet is one of the most exciting quizzes for everyone across East India. So our preparation, we have did a lot of preparation this time. Usually Ajay Punya sir's quizzes are very exciting, and we have to have some knowledge to win the quizzes. So we hope that this year we break our streak and go to the finals and even win the trophy.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are Astosh Mahanti. Myself, this side is Pragya Pratik and Sibanandan Behra. We are from Institute of Dental Science, Bhubaneswar. This is the second time we are participating as a team. We first participated in 2024, then 2025 we could not attend because of summer university exams. But the preparation we have done is quite satisfactory in from our point of view. But the competition level is rising since the year by year, and we are seeing participants from outside of Odisha, which is quite surprising, and which we like as a quizzing team, because from our college quizzing to this type of quizzing, it is a different game we always play, and we will like to face the questions of our renowned quiz master Sri Ajay Punya, who is himself a renowned quiz master, and he has set his benchmark so high that even after we prepare some questions, the questions that he sets there is a quick bouncer for us. So we were aiming to take the prelims very smoothly, and we will aim to take the finals tomorrow. And we hope, we will like to give the message to the other teams to don't take us lightly, because we are not that team that we are in 2024. So be aware, and happy quizzing to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It's our first time here at Metal Meet. We are from SCB Medical College, Cuttack, and we are quite excited for this event. It is our first time participating. We've heard a lot of things about Metal Meet. We've seen a lot of things about Metal Meet, about our quiz master, who is Ajay Punya. We've been to a few of his quizzes and we've seen the level of questions that he sets. So we are quite excited. And to our fellow competitors, we'll just like to say that we are ready to test our metal with you. So bring on your A game. Thank you.
Hello everyone, present over here. This is Mid School of Biotechnology students. My name is Devashima Patra, Abhinav and Somya. We are here for this amazing quiz battle is continuing in this institution. So we are really, really grateful for this. Yeah, for us, for our institution, this is the first time we are participating here. And we are really very excited. We have practiced a lot within this couple of days, and we hope that we're going to win. This is our first and final chance to overcome and win this battle.
Firstly, we come from Raigada, and the college name is MITS Raigada. Basically, this is the joyful day, and we are here. And I give message to my opponent is grow with all.
Well, we are from Raigada Autonomous College, and we three have been preparing for this event within a just week of time, and it is a wonderful event after all. And this is our first time participating in this event, and we are very happy that we got a chance so that we can get to know all about the teams and the competition, because being first time here, we are hoping a good performance here. And I don't say we will boom at the point, but we will give a good fight, and we are trying to do our best. And this over my team has been a good support for me within this week of time, and they also have prepared a lot for this, and we'll try to give up a good match for others. Thank you.
My college name is Geeta Autonomous College, and this is our second time that we are participating in this quiz extravaganza. So basically, we've gone through a lot of categories of the question they are asking, and we have prepared a lot. Let's see, hope for the best. What gonna happen?
Hello everyone, and we are here from IGIT Sarang, and this is personally this is my first time participating in the senior category. And as much as I have noticed from quizzes, Metal Meet is something that serves a completely different experience, irrespective of how much you have participated in other quizzes. So we are here to do our best, and we hope we'll get the prize this time.
My name is Aditi Sahu, and with me are Amrita and Mani. We are students of IIMC Dhenkanal. We're students of Masters in Corporate Communication and Brand Management. And today we are here at the Metal Quiz. And we've been preparing for about a month now. And we're really looking forward to participating and the level of questions that are going to be there.
We are from Rebensha University, Cuttack.
Is this the first time you are participating in the Metal Meet?
Yeah, I am here for the first time. We have made the necessary preparation, and we are very hopeful for today's event.
We are the members of the Utkal University from Bhubaneswar itself and belong to Odisha. And we are 3 members team representing the university for the very first timers. And we have been preparing for the last 3 to 4 months for this Odisha Metal Meet. And being the first timers, we're really excited for this event. And as Odisha Post is celebrating the 10 years of Metal Meet competition, we're also really excited to meet Ajay Punia sir, to how those questions are gonna be and how we're going to retaliate with all those questions in those competitive rounds. So we're really excited. And we also got to know that we're having 41 universities from across the eastern region. So we're really excited, and the moment is surreal, the spirit is very high, and we represent a university at a very great level. To the competitors, we're just gonna say, hope for the best. Team Utkal is already here. We're gonna fight the best, keep the moment and the spirit high. Thank you.
Hello, we are from Silicon University, and this is my final year, and I have been coming to Metal Meet the last 3 years, and we are hoping for a good performance in today's prelims, and we're also hoping to get into the final and leave our mark over there. We would say that play fair, play well, and may the best team win.
Good afternoon, this is team from Sri Jagannath Medical College and Hospital Puri. This is Preet, on my right is Sanjeev, and on my left is Ayushman Bhai. We are here for the 3rd time. We are kind of very encouraged to participate in Metal Meet, one of the biggest quizzes not only of Eastern India but of the whole country. Metal Meet has been increasing in its potential and talent year by year. Teams from other states are participating. This encourages us more. We have prepared for the quiz, and quizzing is more about the spontaneous preparation, not just about what you prepare 1 or 2 months back. So yeah, we are here to participate, to learn, and if we win, that's a bonus for us. Thank you.
Hello, we are Aizer Barampur. My name is Shashank Singh, and it is my second time participating at Metal Meet. Our preparations have been very normal, and I would, to our competitors, I would like to say that although it is going to be a very difficult path ahead, but we believe it will be very exciting, and we will learn a lot of new things. We are very excited to participate in this event as an institute for the 3rd time, and we would like to express our gratitude towards Mr. Ajay Punia for giving us this once in a lifetime opportunity. Thank you.
So we are from B. Surendra University of Technology, Burla. Of course, we are excited because this is Metal Meet, which is one of the biggest quizzes in the India sector. And overall, previously, what has happened, last year we couldn't qualify, our seniors couldn't, but hopefully we do so this year. Of course, Ajay Punia sir is tremendous, and every quiz that he does brings something new to the table, and it's really exciting for every one of us, I guess.
Hello everyone, this is Aditya Kakkad and this is Surya Lenka. Yeah, so we are from Devi School of Business Management, and we prepared for this quiz like since a very long time, and we prepared from Gemini and different sources. And to our competitors, I would like to say that थोड़ा बच के रहो, better रहेगा.
I am Omkar Chand, this is Bhaskar, and this is Somya, and we are representing College of Agriculture, OUT Bhubaneswar. So it's actually my second time representing our college, and last time was like really cherry on top, and I had really so much fun about that actually, and we missed the final round by some points, I guess. It was really a fun experience. We hope to make it to the next round this year, and winning or losing doesn't matter. We really want to inculcate our knowledge and all of that in this competition, and really uphold our values this time. Hello, we are OUTR, Odisha University of Technology and Research, Bhubaneswar. This is
my name is Adarsh Mishra.
I'm Aditya Mahapatra,
My name is Sneha Sishpadi.
and this is our first time here at Metal Meet and second time for Bhaiya.
Definitely, our institution has quite a big legacy in this. Beforehand, we used to be CET. We have won the Metal Meet 2 times, so there's a little bit of pressure on us. We want to carry on that legacy forward, and hopefully, Ajay Punya, of course, is a great quiz master. Hopefully, it will be a good experience.
As a first timer, obviously it's a bit nerve-wracking that we are here at such a great stage, grand stage, but hopefully we'll qualify and make podium this time again.
Definitely. So I think there's something about quizzing that you cannot really prepare. Quizzing is something that you go at with intuitively go for it. But for preparation, we have been going through Ajay Punya's previous quizzes that he has conducted for corporates and etc. And for all the participants, just give your best out there. Quizzing is supposed to be fun. Don't take it too seriously.
Yeah, and not all current affairs and stuff. Just think of it as a puzzle that you need to solve every time you look at it. The hints and the clues that the quiz master gives, and yeah, crack it.
So Roshan, this is Pitanshu. This is Saurabh from High Tech Medical College, Bhubaneswar. We have come for the third time for this quiz. I think preparations have been pretty finicky. We are actually interns serving our duties, so we did not get really enough time for our studies. But it has been a consistent effort throughout the year, so I think that would sort of lead to results. Competitors, I don't really view any competition as such. I think it's more of a celebration, particularly for me at least, because I think such quiz has not been organized consistently in India at least. So for me, just watching it is more of an experience than actively competing. I think it sort of diminishes the event as such.
What do you guys think you will qualify for the finals?
Cannot say. I think this time the teams have been reduced to 3. So last time quizzes competition might be sort of reduced to let people of 3 sort of compete, but I think we would maybe, hopefully.
We are from United School of Business Management. My name is Soyamsu Sahu, and her name is
Ipsida Das.
And Abhay Satpathy.
And we are here for the competition. And
well, we are well prepared for the preliminary rounds, and we have seen general knowledge of 2020 for the last 10 years also, and we have done much history knowledge as well as the geography. So we are giving a best our 100%, actually 200% from our sides, and that's all we have to say for the competitions.
ओडिशा पोस्ट धरित्री द न्यूज़पेपर्स आमे सबु गो थ्रू करिछु एंड हमो बहुत भल लागे से ताद्रु डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस और एनी इन्फॉर्मेशंस कलेक्ट करिवा पई तो हमें 10 इयर्स रो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पोस्ट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हमें गो थ्रू करछु एंड वी आर सो मच एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट इवेंट एंड थैंक यू सो मच
And we will go on a rock on
yeah we are thank you
Namaskar. We are from the team BJB Autonomous College. I am Aditri. This is Nishi, and this is Shushovan. And this is our first time being here in this competition. So since the last 2 years, we had been trying to come here, but we couldn't, and finally got the opportunity. And we would like to make the best of it now. And we are very much excited to see how this goes. And that's it. Thank you.